My video will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the malicious pop-up windows that are related to this website, kleburecords.com. Kleburecords.com is a malicious site that may attack Google Chrome, and it may also affect other browsers. Kleburecords.com is a totally fake and obviously deceptive site. It tries to make you click on a special allow button, supposedly to help you prove that you are not a robot. The reality is that it's a mistake to click on allow because this would immediately hijack your browser with a lot of advertisements that would be periodically attacking your screen in the form of web push notifications. So do not click on this allow button. I have just done that for the demonstration purposes. If you do that, your browser would be hijacked and infected. So you should deactivate these ads. Access the menu, settings, privacy and security, site settings. Go down to permissions and choose notifications. Now pay attention to the websites allowed to send notifications and remove this malicious site from the list. I would also recommend investigating your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and start researching the system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.